and also hydrogen. If you have those three things involved, there's flammability. Now, what triggers light to come on is what? What do we need in order for things to burn?
You will need like a candle and a light. A lighter.
Yeah, but there's one. What type of gas?
Carbon dioxide.
Something else. You close.
Oil? Smoke.
No.
Gas.
What type of gas? Name a gas that makes these things work.
Oxygen.
That's it right there. So, I'm going to light both of these candles.
What?
Now, here's the deal, though. I'm going to leave it up to them as to when they want to blow their candle out. Ooh, bless you. Okay? So, I'm going to give you one. I'm going to give you the other. Okay? Now, let me go ahead and light them up first.
That scared me. That scared me too. That scared me. Happy birthday.
Okay, who has a birthday this month? Anybody have a birthday they celebrate in January?
February.
Now.
That one's more dangerous.
Well, why did they blow out, though? What caused him to go out?
It's because his still has a spark. Because he didn't blow super hard.
Oh, his has a spark because he didn't blow super hard. Okay.
And the smoke is still going.
The smoke is still going. What's happening with hers?
Hers is completely out because how hard she blew it.
Right. But now, if you take a look, you said his is still sparking because he didn't blow hard enough. Well,
it's still sparking.
It is still sparking.
Why do y'all always do that? Back up, it's fire.
But what happened?
It's starting again. The spark starts a fire again.
How did it start? Why didn't hers start?
It's because of the wax.
The wax? Okay, what else?
It still has a spark.
Well, no, the Play-Doh is just to hold the candle because I didn't want them holding the candle.
The air caused the fire to come back up. And since the oxygen is still going, since the oxygen is still going, when his blew it, he blew it like not as hard as she did, but I'd say since hers started lower, I saw that his didn't have like drips of. I didn't see him have drip of the candle.
Okay.
But I saw hers dripping.
But there was something else too. Go ahead and blow yours out. Did it go out? Blow it out.
It goes out, Josiah. Trick candle.
Okay, now. It is smelling. So y'all step back a little bit because it is. It is sparking again.
Let me blow it out. It's a trick candle.
Step back. Okay, she said step
trick
back.
Candle.
Now.
The thing that you light it with is made so that.
Well, okay, so that y'all know. Oh, look, what is it doing?
Oh my God.
Let me start hers back. Okay, now. Let me tell you something else. Even though we started them at the same time, I believe...
Hers burns quicker.
Yes, hers is burning quicker. But do you all think hers is going to actually do the same thing that his candle just did?
No.
Why not?
Because his is a trick candle and it keeps on sparking over and over. Because it's higher.
Okay, so you think the height says...
air, like the things that are in the air?
Maybe.
Or the oxygen that's in his body that is making it. Oh, I see mine going.
When you exhale, you don't exhale oxygen.
Right. Well, name a gas. Since I'm glad you brought that up. Name a gas we inhale.
Oxygen.
And what do we exhale?
Carbon dioxide.
Exactly. So in order for these flames to go out, we have to blow
carbon dioxide.
Exactly. But in order for the fire to start, we need
oxygen.
Excellent. Very good. All right. Young man, blow yours back out. Okay, now, little lady.
Oh, I saw hers first.
You saw her sparking? Blow yours out.
See, it's a trick candle.
Okay, it is a trick candle.
They're both
Yes. So let me tell you all the science behind this.
Why is it doing that?
Okay, yes, good question. Why? These are what we call self-relighting candles where there's a chemical on it like phosphorus. Can you all say phosphorus?
Phosphorus.
That causes it to relight. So even though you burned it out and you blew it out, it relit itself because that chemical was still triggering by the
oxygen.
Good. All right. Listen, y'all. And we're going to blow them out. How can we prevent them from relighting? That's my question. Blowing it harder? Blow it harder.
Put them in water.
Exactly. So we got to insert water on them.